Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess, and in today's video we are going to be going over 10 different Christmas decor ideas and their free crochet patterns that you guys can do at home to make your house extra Christmassy this holiday season. So let's get into it. So just so you guys know, I will be linking all of these free crochet patterns down in the description box below. They are not mine, they are other creators, but they are so amazing, and I'm going to be making a few of them for my house this year, and I thought it'd be great to share with you guys what I am going to be doing in my house and give you guys some ideas if you're looking for some crocheted decor ideas for Christmas. So number one is a stocking. Now, stockings are super easy to make, and I think that they add a lot to your Christmas decor. They are beautiful, and I find a little bit more personal when you can make them yourself. You can make them as big as you want, as little as you want. I will link two different patterns down below that I really like, but there are so many out there if those ones aren't the ones that you like. But I think making Christmas stockings for your whole family is so much fun and would be a pretty quick project that would work up really quickly. Number two is Christmas coasters. Now, I did review some coasters in my last video for gift ideas, but these ones are specific to Christmas, and I think that they are so friggin' cute. There's different like Santa Claus and reindeer. They seem like they might work up really quickly. They're beginner friendly, I would say, and they would be just a really nice addition to your house this Christmas season. Number three is a table runner. Now, if you have a large table or even a small table, I think a table runner for Christmas is really nice. I don't personally use table runners during the regular year, but over Christmas, I think having a table runner is really pretty. This one in particular is stunning, and I think, again, this would be a really good beginner-friendly project. If you're new to crochet and you're not quite sure, I think this would be a really great place to start, and I think it would add a lot to your house. So I think this is a really good pattern. Number four is a tree skirt. Now, I actually have crocheted a tree skirt in the past that I never finished. It took so long, I kept putting it off, then Christmas would be over, and then I wouldn't look at it again until the next Christmas. But I think a tree skirt is such a good project for Christmas. They're really pretty. Most people, I would say, have a Christmas tree up, and I think it'd be really fun to make. And make it a little bit personal for your taste. So I think doing a tree skirt would be a great project to do this Christmas. Number five is a wreath. Now, I personally do put Christmas wreaths on my front door every season. I think they just add a little bit of decor to the outside of the house because otherwise I don't do very much other than Christmas lights. But I think having a wreath on the front door is really pretty. And this one's very modern and simple, if that's what you're looking for. I kind of liked that. It wasn't too glitzy and glammy. It was just very simple and classic. So I think making a wreath is a great decor idea, especially for the outside of the house. Number six is a Christmas garland. Now, this might be my hands down favorite pattern that I found. It is so beautiful. I think it would make any Christmas decorations look better. It just looks like a really fun pattern. I think it would be beginner friendly, and I just think it would add a lot. So if you're interested in making a Christmas garland, I think this pattern is the one to do, and it's definitely the one that I'm going to be working on this Christmas. Number seven is a Santa pillow. Now, I thought this Santa pillow was so cute. I love the texture of the beard. I think it would be really great for a bed or a couch, or even a kid's room if maybe your kid, steals it and never wants to give it back because it's so amazing. But I think making throw pillows, because throw pillows can be so expensive. If you just make the outside that would fit a pillow that maybe you have that you want to recover, then you can use that every Christmas and then leave it as it is for the rest of the year. I think that's a really great idea. So go make this Santa pillow. I think it would be really cute. Number eight is a crochet Christmas tree. Now, I think this is pretty classic. I think if you use different sized yarns for this, you could make different sized trees. So you could use really small yarn for tiny little trees and then chunky yarn for really big trees. I kind of like having different like height trees as decor because I think it adds a little bit more. But I thought these were really, really cute, very simple to make, and I think they would work up really quickly. So um, if you find other tree patterns, I think that's great as well. This is just ideas for you guys to make. Number 9 is Christmas ornaments. Now, this particular pattern is for like crochet Christmas balls, but there are so many different crochet Christmas ornaments out there that are free. We are going to be having 12 new crochet Christmas ornaments, step-by-step tutorials coming out on our YouTube channel in December, but you can find lots of different free patterns everywhere else. You can also find our free patterns on our Instagram. But I think these balls are perfect. They're classic, like just little ornaments, and I think that they would make any tree look perfect. So I would say make up some ornaments. They also make really good gifts if you're looking to give gifts to maybe Secret Santa or your parents or your sister or whomever. I always personally love receiving Christmas ornaments every year for my Christmas tree. So I think that they're really fun to make, work up easy, and loved by everyone. The last idea that I have is a crochet snowman. Now, this snowman is super, super cute. I think any type of um, snow, a penguin, a Santa Claus, any type of Christmas themed animal or, person is great decor for any Christmas season. This one I just personally really loved, so I thought I would share it with you guys. But you could really do anything you wanted. But I think this pattern would probably be for a little bit more difficult, maybe not a beginner friendly pattern, but you can definitely try it if you are a beginner. You just have to start somewhere with things like that. So I think making any type of those kind of projects would be great for decorating your house. So those are all my 10 ideas for decorating your house with crochet Christmas decorations. I will again link the patterns below for you guys in the order that I talked about them so you can go find them for yourself. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Keep your eye out for December 1st when we'll be sharing our first crochet Christmas tree ornament. And otherwise, we hope you guys have a lovely day and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!